Hi guys, it's Monday and it's another day, another vlog. So, as what you have noticed guys, andito na ako sa workplace ko and naka-jacket ako today guys kasi nga sobrang sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko guys and ilang days ko na itong nafe-feel. So, actually naka-take naman din ako ng medicine so hoping na maging okay na ako. So, anyway guys, as what you have noticed, andito na ako sa workplace ko and for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales and aside from that guys, we will also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales and monitoring of our monthly reports and that would be my agenda for today guys. So anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo at mag-work lang din muna ako.
Ako na mangungutang ako.
So, anyway guys, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today kasi after work, diretso na din tayo sa bahay. So, this would be another work vlog. So, anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!